Let's have proving sessions, and we will start with this first episode on standard equations of parabola with the center at the origin. So we have x squared is equal to 4ay, x squared is equal to negative 4ay, y squared is equal to 4ax, and y squared is equal to negative 4ax. So our objective for this, quick presentation is to derive the standard equation of the parabola with the center at the origin. So at the end of this session, you will learn how to prove the equation of the parabola with the center at 0, 0. So I'm going to show you the proof on the standard equation of the parabola, particularly opening to the right. So we have here focus and we will use A. So the coordinate is A0, center 0, 0. So we also have here a line, the directrix, and a point here we have negative A0. And if we are going to consider a point, XY, so by definition, from here to here is equal to from here to here. So if we will set this one, distance 1 is the same as distance 2. So we have here negative a, that's why we have here negative a. And then this one is y, that's why we have y here. So we will prove this. So the y squared is equal to 4ax. So for our proof, so as I mentioned earlier, so distance 1 is the same as distance 2. And we will just use the formula for the distance formula, square root of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So this quantity plus quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared is equal to another distance formula. So we will consider this distance 1. So y sub 2y minus 0, okay, and then squared, and then x minus a, okay, squared is equal to, for our second distance, so this one y minus y, okay, squared, and then x minus a, that is x plus a, so squared. So from here, we will simplify. So we will square both sides. Okay, we can eliminate the radical signs. Okay, and then we have quantity y minus 0 squared plus quantity x minus a squared is equal to quantity y minus y squared plus quantity x plus a squared. And then we can simplify further. This is y squared. Copy. And then this is 0 squared, which is 0. We can remove this and then copy this. And then y squared by the formula. Okay, square of a binomial. So square the first term, copy the sign, twice the product of first and second, 2ax, and then square the last term, always positive. Same with this, but the difference is this is positive, so the sign here must be positive. And then further simplify, we have y squared plus x squared minus 2ax plus a squared is equal to x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. So since we have the same sign here, we can cancel. This one cancel. So our result would be y squared minus 2ax is equal to 2ax. Combine like terms, okay, by APE. So y squared is equal to 2ax, and we have positive or plus 2ax. And finally, we have y squared is equal to 4ax. So we have derived the formula, the standard equation of a parabola, specifically opening to the right with the center at the origin. So can you derive the other standard equations? You can try. Okay. Try this proof. Okay, we will consider a parabola opening to the left. Okay, y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.